Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that almost everyone has noticed, but very few people actually understand. If you use WhatsApp or Messenger, you've probably seen that small circle icon. Yes, that one. That is Meta AI, and in this video, I will show you how to remove it as much as possible, and more importantly, how to protect your privacy from it. So, let's get started. First, let me clear one thing. You cannot completely remove Meta AI right now, but you can reduce its access and control how it interacts with your data, and honestly, that is what really matters. Now, here's something important. Your normal WhatsApp and Messenger chats are end-to-end encrypted. That means only you and the other person can read them. But when you chat with Meta AI, those messages are not encrypted in the same way, which means the company can read them and even use them to train their AI. So if you care about privacy, you need to take control. Now, step number 1. If you already have a chat with Meta AI, just press and hold on it. You can either archive it or delete it completely. This removes it from your main screen. Next step, open Meta AI Chat. In the message box, type /reset AI and send it. This will reset the AI completely. It will forget everything it knows about you. This is very important. Now, next step, open the Meta AI Chat again. Tap on its name at the top. Go to Notifications. Turn on Mute. Select Always. This will stop it from disturbing you again and again. You can do the same thing inside Messenger as well. Now comes the most important privacy setting. Open Messenger. Tap the 3 lines at top left. Then go to Settings. Open Account Center. Go to Your Information and Permissions. Open Your Activity off Meta Technologies. Tap Manage Future Activity and make sure it is disconnected. Then, clear previous activity again. This stops Meta from tracking what you do across other apps and services. Now let's move to WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp. Tap on the 3 dots on the top right. Go to Settings. Now open Chats. Here you will find Media Visibility. Turn this off. Why? Because your WhatsApp images are encrypted, but once they're saved in your gallery, they are no longer protected. Other apps and AI can access them. Now scroll down. Open Chat Backup. Here you will see end-to-end encrypted backup. Turn this on. This is very important because without this, your backup is not fully secure. Set a password, but make sure you save this password somewhere safe, because if you forget it, you will not be able to recover your chats. And that's it. Now your WhatsApp and Messenger are much more private and secure. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because I bring simple and powerful tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.